Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. Today we are doing stuffed chicken enchilada bell peppers for dinner. I have got three tri-colored bell peppers. I have taken the tops off, cleaned out the insides. They're ready to go. I have sprayed a baking dish, small baking dish. And this recipe, you're going to need to do a little bit of prep work for, but it is so good. And it's another easy slow cooker recipe. Perfect for weeknight family dinner. I will put all the ingredients and the directions in the description below. For prep work, now you could get a cooked rotisserie chicken from the store, or maybe you did a chicken dinner earlier this week and you have some leftover chicken to use up. I have about a cup and a half, 2 cups of cooked shredded chicken. I did this in the crock pot this morning, threw in some taco seasoning with it, to give it the taco-y flavor for the enchiladas, and it is cooled and I have shredded it. So again, about 1.5 to 2 cups of shredded cooked chicken. I have cooked some rice, about 1.5 cups of white rice, and I have about 2 cups of shredded cheese. I am doing mostly Monterey Jack and a little bit of shredded cheddar, and then I have a can of red enchilada sauce. So super easy to put together. Basically in my bowl, we are going to put the rice, we are going to put the chicken, we are going to mix it together, add in a little bit of the enchilada sauce, and then we're going to stuff our peppers. Get my peppers out of the way here. So I've got the cheese. I'm going to go ahead and put my chicken in there. And if you have picky eaters in your family like we do, I got a kid that's not even going to come close to touching one of these bell peppers. So I'm going to use the extra, stuff up a tortilla shell for an actual traditional style enchilada, chicken enchilada. We're going to put the rice in. That is why I only have 3 bell peppers and not 4. And I'll be honest with you, this mixture will probably make enough stuffing for probably 5 to 6 peppers, I would say. So if you've got a good sized family, the recipe will fill you up pretty good. Okay. The cheese is already melted. My rice is still a little bit hot. I'm going to pour in half the can of enchilada sauce. You could add in some diced onion. If your family likes spicy, you could do some diced up jalapeno. Gonna leave those out today for our dinner. All right, this is mixed together really nicely. And I'm gonna grab my bell peppers here, stuff them full. Now, if you want to, you could adjust the amount of rice and the amount of chicken. Totally optional, up to you. Oh yeah. It smells good already. If you're looking for some other easy weeknight dinners, I will link to that playlist. I've got a ton of quick put together, kid-friendly dinner recipes and some slow cooker recipes. Okay. So as you can see, that filled up my 3 peppers, and normally I would fill up another 3 peppers, but I've got some picky eaters, so I'm just going to do good old regular enchiladas here. And I'm going to kind of just roll this up. These also help your peppers kind of stay put in your dish, which is kind of nice. It's gonna make about 3 tortilla enchiladas. That's why I saved half the can of enchilada sauce, because I will pour that on top. This one's gonna be stuffed a little full. They'll never know. Perfect. We're going to take our sauce I'm going to drizzle just a touch over the top of the peppers. Drizzle it over the top of the tortillas. Perfect. We are going to put this in the oven and bake it at about 375 degrees, for maybe a good 10 minutes or so. You can add some extra cheese to the top of your enchiladas because the kids like that, of course. It also helps you know when they're good and warm is because the cheese will have nicely melted. All right, we're going to put these in the oven and I'll show you what they look like when they're all done. These look and smell so good. It's going to be such a delicious dinner. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you all love this recipe. I know your family's going to love it. We'll see y'all next time.